Hello everybody, welcome to Geography GK Part 3. Another 25 important questions. We are seeing questions from 51 to 75. Let's begin. Question number 51. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? A. Australia, B. America, C. Africa, D. Asia. The answer is C. Africa, because its interior remained largely unexplored. Question number 52. Which river forms the largest delta in the world? A. Ganga River, B. Amazon River, C. Nile River, D. Mississippi River. The answer is A. Ganga River. It forms Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, which also called as Sundarbans Delta. It is located in India. Question number 53. Which mountain is known as the Savage Mountain? A. Mount Everest, B. K2, C. Kanchenjunga, D. Annapurna. The answer is B. K2. It is because of its extreme weather and difficult climbing conditions. K2 lies on the border of Pakistan and China. Question number 54. Which country is called the land of midnight sun? A. Sweden, B. Finland, C. Norway, D. Iceland. The answer is C. Norway. Sun remains visible at midnight during summer in polar regions. Question number 55. Which ocean has the maximum number of islands? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Pacific Ocean. The answer is D. Pacific Ocean. It contains thousands of islands including Micronesia, Melanesia, and Polynesia. Question number 56. Which is the deepest lake in the world? A. Lake Superior, B. Lake Victoria, C. Lake Baikal, D. Caspian Sea. The answer is C. Lake Baikal. It is located in Siberia. It holds about 20% of the world's freshwater. Question number 57. Which continent has maximum freshwater reserves? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. North America, D. Antarctica. The answer is D. Antarctica. Nearly 70% of the world's freshwater is locked in ice. Question number 58. Which wind is responsible for rainfall in India? A. Trade winds, B. Westerlies, C. Monsoon winds, D. Polar winds. The answer is C. Southwest monsoon winds. These seasonal winds bring moisture from oceans to India. Question number 59. Which line passes through Greenwich? Option A. Equator, B. Tropic of Cancer, C. Prime Meridian, D. International Dateline. The answer is C. Prime Meridian. It divides Earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Question number 60. Which is the largest coral reef system in the world? Option A. Bellis Barrier Reef, B. Red Sea Coral Reef, C. Great Barrier Reef, D. Maldives Coral Reef. The answer is C. Great Barrier Reef. It is located in the Pacific Ocean near Australia. Question number 61. Which country has the largest forest cover? A. Brazil, B. Russia, C. Canada, D. United States. The answer is B. Russia. Russia accounts for about 20% of the world's total forest cover. Question number 62. Which is the oldest mountain range in the world? A. Himalayas, B. Rocky Mountains, C. Aravalli Range, D. Andes. The answer is C. Aravalli Range. The Aravalli Range in India was formed around 1.5 to 2 billion years ago. Question number 63. Which strait separates Asia and North America? Option A. Strait of Gibraltar. Option B. Malacca Strait. C. Bering Strait. D. Bosporus Strait. The answer is C. Bering Strait. It separates Asia and North America and it connects the Arctic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. 64. Which sea has the highest salinity? Option A Mediterranean Sea, B Red Sea, C Dead Sea, D Arabian Sea. The answer is C Dead Sea. The Dead Sea has the highest salinity because high evaporation and no outlet cause salt to accumulate. 65. Which country has the maximum number of volcanoes? A. Japan, B. Indonesia, C. United States, and D. Chile. Answer is B. Indonesia. Indonesia has the most volcanoes because it lies on the Pacific Ring of Fire where tectonic plates meet. Question number 66. Which is the largest delta in Asia? A. Mekong Delta, B. Yangtze Delta, C. Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, D. Indus Delta. The answer is C. Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. It is formed by heavy sediment deposition from the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. 67. Which type of rainfall is common in equatorial regions? A. Orographic rainfall, B. Cyclonic rainfall, C. Convectional rainfall, D. Monsoon rainfall. The answer is C. Convectional rainfall. It is caused by intense heating and rising air. 68. Which plateau is known as the storehouse of minerals? A. Deccan Plateau, B. Tibetan Plateau, C. Chota Nagpur Plateau, D. Brazilian Plateau. The answer is C. Chota Nagpur Plateau. It is located in eastern India. It is rich in coal, iron ore, mica, and bauxite. 69. Which atmospheric layer contains the ozone layer? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Thermosphere. The answer is B. Stratosphere. The ozone layer is found in the stratosphere where it absorbs harmful UV radiation from the sun. 70. Which ocean current warms Western Europe? A. Labrador Current, B. Canary Current, C. North Atlantic Drift, D. Peru Current. The answer is C. North Atlantic Drift. It brings warm water to Western Europe, making the climate warmer. 71. Which continent is called the Plateau continent? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Australia, and D. South America. The answer is B. Africa, because most of its land surface is made up of plateaus. 72. Which force is responsible for ocean tides? A. Wind force, B. Earth's rotation, C. Gravitational force of the moon, D. Ocean currents. The answer is C. Gravitational force of the moon. The moon's gravitational force pulls the ocean water, causing high and low tides on Earth. 73. Which is the longest river in South America? A. Orinoco River, B. Paraná River, C. Amazon River, D. San Francisco River. The answer is C. Amazon River. The Amazon River is the longest river in South America and carries the largest volume of water in the world. Question number 74. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? A. Alps, B. Himalayas, C. Andes, D. Ural Mountains. The answer is D. Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains form a natural boundary between Europe and Asia. 75. Which is the largest hot desert in Asia? A. Thar Desert, B. Arabian Desert, C. Gobi Desert, D. Karakum Desert. The answer is B. Arabian Desert. Arabian Desert is the largest hot desert in Asia, covering much of the Arabian Peninsula. How many did you get right? Comment your score out of 25. Geography GK Part 4 coming soon. Subscribe for daily GK. Thank you.